How to Stop Teeth Grinding, Daytime and Sleep Bruxism Guide. Are you a person that grinds their teeth and want to know how to stop it? Taking good care of your teeth and gums is of crucial importance to your overall health. Because you have increased teeth sensitivity, you can either eat hot and cold foods or brush your teeth without experiencing a flash of pain. This could all be a result of grinding your teeth. Teeth grinding, aka bruxism, explained. Grinding your teeth is also known as bruxism and can become the cause of a wide range of health issues, such as headaches, damaged teeth, and increased tooth sensitivity to jaw disorders and sleep disturbances. What causes teeth grinding? The importance of identifying the teeth grinding causes in each case cannot be overemphasized. But bruxism is typically linked to a wide range of factors, including stress, sleep issues, and anxiety. You and your dentist will then agree on the best possible course of action depending on the set of factors that contributes to your teeth grinding habit. The most common causes of teeth grinding are discussed: stress and anxiety, medication, sleep disorders, methods to stop teeth grinding, dental methods. Your dentist may suggest methods in preserving or improving the appearance of your teeth. Emphasis must be made, nonetheless, that these methods may not stop your teeth grinding habit. Stress management. If your teeth grinding habit is caused by stress and or anxiety, you can kick it by learning strategies for effectively coping with it. Controlling your habits. Be mindful of what you chew. Referral to a specialist. Medications. Lifestyle and home remedies. How to stop teeth grinding answered. So that concludes our explanation on how to stop teeth grinding according to your specific situation and age factors. There is a lot to consider and take in. Ultimately, determining the root cause of your teeth grinding habit should start with your oral, physical, and mental health. For more information on how to manage your oral health, visit our website www.waterflosserguide.com.